Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this about the Alt key, and I'll have to name it the same just so you can kind of go along. But I need to delete all the shading now. So I started thinking about, instead of using the Alt key and deleting the shading, let's just do this. Let's go up to Object and Group and ungroup this so we can use the boundary tool. I'm going to set my boundary on 8 inches, it is. I'm going to select it all, I'm going to hit the boundary tool, and I'm going to move that over. This is so simple, then other than deleting all those lines, take the Smart Fill tool, move that over. I'm just nudging with the right arrow key. And in that short a time, left click no fill, right click hairline, and now you have a cross without any fill. And then we can do the same thing we did earlier about making a boundary around this to make it cut. So we're going to make this black, and we're going to make it a hairline to make sure it's a hairline, and it is. It's a weird black. Somehow I moved my black down there. But it's still, we can go hairline or boundary, move that over. Still do the same thing with effects, contour to the outside, 0.01. Go up to Object, break contour apart. If you grab the center one and move it over, then you know it's the bigger one, and then move that back over and left click that as a outline to cut. And tomorrow I'm going to make a video on how to make this a vector engrave a lot faster, and then I'm going to share all these crosses. So I've got one, possibly two more to clean up. One without anything and one with something. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.